In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Life is not as easy as many of the people do think. Because there are several challenges and difficulties in the life to face. Sometimes we feel that my difficulties and challenges are not big and I shall be able to overcome and properly deal with these. While at certain other points in the life, we do feel like the challenges are really tough and it would take quite a lot of tough fight to be able to overcome these difficulties. And even sometimes we feel like it would be a miracle to come out of a situation like this one, to come out to face my challenges in an honorable manner. And I might have to lose myself. Either I have to lose my life or I have to lose my health, physical and psychological one. Because physical health is very important and the psychological health is even more important. So it is and very important indeed that we equip ourselves to face the challenges, the difficulties, the troubles, the even more nagging difficulties and challenges where we think that I might get defeated by my challenges, by my difficulties. Today we are going to talk about the best ever policy to face these difficulties and challenges of the life. It comprises very few points, but each point described here is essential, is a must. And these are not going to be many, rather, these are very few. But each of these is extremely important, absolutely important, without which we will not be able to get the required benefits. We will not be able to get the required results. What is this policy, by the way? It is. It is like first of all, we have to prepare ourselves by taking us out of the comfort zone. Be out of the comfort zone. Try to keep yourself out of the comfort zone. And this will make us a strong human being. The more comforts we do enjoy in our life, the weaker we become. There are many people who are not rich at all. They're not rich people. They don't even belong to the middle class. Yet they keep themselves in the comfort zone. Do they have the ability to buy the comforts of life? No, they don't even find it easy to meet the bare necessities. Yet some of them, or maybe many of them keep themselves in their comfort zone. What is this, by the way? Doing out of what they can, out of what they can do, they do what they like. Out of what they can do, they do what they like. And they avoid to do what they don't like. This is the comfort zone. Whatever they can eat, they try to eat what gives them pleasure. They try to say what gives them pleasure. Mean they have become the pleasure seekers and the comfort seekers. They avoid bothering themselves. They try to keep themselves they try to keep themselves as comfortable as possible. This is the comfort zone. Sacrificing, not doing what you can do, what you can easily do for your player, not doing it, or doing it in such a manner that lot of or several changes has been brought into it. Several changes has been brought into it. The basic purpose of these changes is that we are ready for the unknown results. That we are ready for the taking of risks. That we are ready for sacrificing our player. We are ready for the sacrificing our comforts, and we are ready for the change. We are ready for the change. The purpose of this is to become quite resilient, to develop the resilience in ourselves, to develop the resilience and the flexibility in ourselves. We should not and will not be adamant that I will do whatever I like to do, I will do whatever I want to do if it is possible. Mean by choice I cannot sacrifice it. I'm not going to sacrifice it by choice. I shall only sacrifice when it becomes compulsory, mandatory, unavoidable. I shall be able to sacrifice it only when it becomes unavoidable. Otherwise, I shall do it. Mean if something is unavailable, something I like, something I love is unavailable, then it's okay. Otherwise, whatever things and people are available to me and I like them, I shall like to avail it. I shall like to take advantage of it. I shall like to take benefit out of it. I shall like to be with those people and with those things. This is something what we need to understand. I have spoken much about this to elaborate this point alone backbone because it is the backbone of all the progress, all the program. It is the backbone of the new policy we are going to adopt. If this is absent, this means that we have become the spineless people. This is something which provides us with the spine. It gives us spine. It gives us spine. Who else don't want to take the spine? Everyone else does. We become spineless people if at all we are desperate to obey our own impulses, to comply our own impulses, to become slave of our own impulses, to become slave of our own desire, to become a slave of our comfort zone. We have to throw away the comfort zone. First of all, this was the most important thing ever. Then we have to remain hopeful. Always, 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 always hopeful, regardless of the situation, regardless of the circumstances. We have to remain hopeful, 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 upbeat. Never ever entertain the negative, the despairing thoughts, the thoughts which gives us the hopelessness. Last but not the least, be ready for the compromise. Do not remain adamant that you will receive your ideal price or your ideal offer. Rather, be practical. Be practical. Whatever reasonable or somewhat reasonable price is offered, somewhat reasonable deal is offered, strike it. Do not waste it, otherwise, you will repent and regret a lot. You will be desperate to regain, but you will not be able to. It rarely happens that a person gets the ideal situation, the ideal offer. Thank you. Jazakallah.